Let's all say hello to brand new Jeep Avenger mild hybrid. The Jeep Avenger debuted last year as the brand's first ever production EV, but the lineup has since grown to include more options. Following the limited availability of an ICE-only petrol engine in select European markets, Jeep introduced the Avenger Hybrid with a mildly electrified 1.2-liter powertrain and an optional open-air skyroof feature. The Avenger Hybrid features Stellantis' latest mild hybrid tech, which is already used in Peugeot, Citroen, and Opel models. The powertrain comprises a turbocharger 1.2-liter 3-cylinder petrol engine, a 48-volt lithium-ion battery, and an electric motor integrated within the new 6-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox EDCS6. Jeep didn't announce the combined output, but the petrol engine produces 99 horsepower and 205 nanometers, while the electric motor makes 28 horsepower and 55 nanometers. Despite not being a full hybrid, the Jeep can drive in EV-only mode for up to 1 km or 6 miles, as long as the speed is under 30 km per hour. If there is enough juice left in the battery, it can also park exclusively with the combustion engine switched off. While the SUV is exclusively available in FWD form at least until a 4.4 EV arrives in the future, the Eco, Normal, Sport, Snow, Mud, and Sand driving modes can help with traction on more slippery surfaces. Setting aside the new engine, Jeep's smallest SUV also benefits from new additions to the list of optional equipment: the open-air skyroof and a leather-wrapped massaging driver's seat. Visually, the MEF can be distinguished from the EV thanks to the green E badge on the tailgate instead of blue and the presence of a tailpipe. The model will be available in longitude, altitude, and summit trims. The flagship model comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, full LED lights, privacy glass, ambient lighting, a 10.25 digital instrument cluster, a wireless charging pad, and Level 2 autonomous driving capabilities. The Jeep Avenger Hybrid will be available to order in all European markets starting from the end of November. Pricing will be announced closer to the market launch, although we expect it to be cheaper compared to the fully electric equivalent.